Taking.
They're enjoying.
Enjoying their
They're
life,
eating food.
like eating food.
They're watching TV.
Watching TV.
This humanity is not serving of humanity. Yes. Educated.
You are so called educated
Because you are underestimating the power and beauty of humanity.
because you are underestimating the power and duty of humanity.
Empathy, emotion, connection, cooperation, and compassion. If you have these 5 qualities, congratulations, you are human and humanity is still within you.
Not. This is
आपका
I am
हाथ
going to
क्यों
tell you.
लगातार खड़ा है ये बताइए कभी यहाँ हो जाए कभी यहाँ हो जाए कभी ये शोल्डर उठ जाए ठीक है गो अगेन
Friends, for me, humanity is to help those people who are sleeping without eating food. For me, humanity is to think about those people who don't have any shelter on their head. For me, humanity is to think about those people who don't have any expectations in their life. For me, humanity is to help those people who are those.
problem. Come on, imagine these people are sitting here. How would you make them excited? Come on. Yes.
Humanity is a quality of a person that makes us a human. You know, without humanity, a person can't be considered as a human being because the true meaning of any word is defined by its character, nature, and quality. Without that, there is no.
Beautiful. But speak from your breathing as well, right? Don't sound much. You know, it's like a टनटनाही आवाज आ रही है, right? थोड़ा सा उसको ना थोड़ा सा ना breathing से बात करो.
Without humanity.
Yes.
Without humanity,
Yes.
a person
Yes.
cannot be considered
Yes.
as a human being.
Yes.
Because the true meaning of any word is defined by its character, nature, and quality. And you know, the character, nature, and quality is the humanity of being a human being. Suppose.
Ladies and gentlemen, come
So,
on.
ladies and gentlemen, suppose you are going to buy grapes from the market and you find a grapes from outside it is looking like a grapes, but when you see it from inside, the taste, the texture, the texture is not of grapes. Will you consider it as a grapes? No. Similarly, without humanity, a person cannot be considered as a human. You know, what is the true meaning of humanity? You know, what is humanity? Humanity is a responsibility towards this planet, towards this nature. And humanity is the understanding the problems of others without even facing it in your life. Humanity nowadays, in my opinion, humanity does not exist because 90% of the people don't know what is the meaning of humanity.
Humanity is not considered. See?
Humanity is not considered.
Very nice. Very nice. What do you think? What do you think, Boli?
What do you think?
Are you human?
Are you human?
Are you educated?
Are you educated?
You are so called educated.
You are so called educated.
Because you are underestimating the power and beauty of humanity.
Because you are underestimating the power and duty of humanity.
बहुत अच्छी, very nice. तो अभी स्टेज पे जब जाओगे ना थोड़ा सा कभी-कभी यहाँ से साउंड करना. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Let me ask you. Do you think about humanity is existing? No, according to me, it's not existing. So you have to ना मतलब कि enjoy करके बातें करो. कभी यहाँ से, कभी यहाँ से, कभी यहाँ से, कभी यहाँ से. All right, please. Next person, please. Anybody else? Hey, Mr. Zakaria, come on. You have to kill today. Come on. How old are you? How old are you? This is the person. These are the people. Come on.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. This is me, Mohammad Zakaria. I am from Lucknow. Today, I want to talk about very good topic. That is humanity. Firstly, we don't have humanity in this time. We should think about.
Wait. Sound from here. First of all, we don't have humanity.
We don't have humanity.
Go.
We don't have humanity in this time. We are only going on casteism. We are fighting. Why? Because we don't have humanity. Firstly, we should have humanity. We have to have humanity in
Yes.
this time.
Yes.
In this time, we are saying we will grow together, supporting each other. But we can't. Why? Because we don't have humanity, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies
कैमरे
and-
मामा देखो यहाँ पे पब्लिक
Yes.
बैठी है समझो क्योंकि अभी आपको स्टेज पे बोलना है लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन
Ladies and gentlemen, we have to try to understand what is humanity. Humanity.
अगेन कैमरा आ रहा है यू हैव टू सी पब्लिक मैन
Yes.
कम ऑन यस
We have to try to understand what is humanity. Humanity is the help to the people who is not able to in your life. We should help that people. That is humanity.
ठीक है वेरी नाइस पर थोड़ा सा वही साउंड अच्छा कर रहा
Yes.
वहाँ पे
Yes, sir.
पक्का हो जाएगा
Yes, sir.
प्रॉमिस
Promise.
गो वेरी नाइस
Thank you.
ओके ज़करिया
Sir, for me, humanity is to help those people who are in a trouble. For me, humanity is to think about those people who are sleeping without eating food. For me, humanity is to think about those people who are sleeping without having any shelter on their head. For me, humanity is to think about those people who are facing a lot of problems in our everyday life. For me, humanity is to think about those people who don't have anything in their life. For me, humanity is to share your joys and sorrows with others.
यस बहुत अच्छे वेरी नाइस बट कहीं के कुछ लाइन जल्दी जाए कहीं पे आराम से हाँ इसकी प्रैक्टिस करिए जल्दी जल्दी बोल के फिर आराम से मतलब गाड़ी तेज गई है फिर स्लो में आ गई चलो गो अगेन जल्दी जाओ ह्यूमैनिटी अबाउट ह्यूमैनिटी Come on. Yes.
For me, humanity is to think about those people who don't have anything in their life. For me, humanity is to think about those people who don't have anything in their life. For me, humanity is to help those people who don't have anything about in their life. For me, dear friends, for me, humanity is to help those people who are sleeping without eating food. For me, humanity is to think about those people who don't have any shelter on their head. For me, humanity is to think about those people who don't have any expectations in their life. For me, humanity is to help those people who are so weak in our society.
Very nice, very nice. You have to go on the stage after some time. You have to go to speed and be down. And if you are on the stage, you have to cut off. For example, you are on the stage, you're talking to the people, and then come. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, guys. With your energy, you have to go to people as well. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you do it? Congratulations. Come on. Next person. Front of you, come on.
बाजी चाहिए अतफाल है दुनिया मेरे आगे होता है शबो रोज तमाशा मेरे आगे सर in our society in this model era what's happening in our society there are lack of humanity in our society sir every people wants to kill the people most of the people wants to kill wants to beat wants to destroy the people sir it's my humble request that if you cannot serve that if you cannot serve the people if you cannot do anything our nation if you cannot do anything in our India in our nation so then you stay your home then you stay silent but don't destroy the people's lives don't destroy the people's life don't ruin the people ladies and gentlemen लोग टूट जाते हैं एक घर बनाने को लोग टूट जाते हैं घर बनाने को तुम्हें तरस नहीं आता है बस्तियां जलाने में तुम्हें तरस नहीं आता है बस्तियां
आप पहुंचो ना जल्दी आ रहे हो और जज्बाती हो जा रहे हैं आपको नरम लहजा भी रखना है सर ये सब बाद में होगा स्टार्टिंग
नहीं ये बीच का है सर
बीच का है ना तब ठीक है प्लीज टेक दिस माइक्रोफोन हाउ विल यू स्टार्ट
What is humanity? What is humanity? We all are human beings. But the term human beings is used for animals, animal beings, tiger being, not. Because we are humans, we know how to respond, not to react. The main hook of, if I talk about my main hook, why rape cases happen in our society? Why? I just want to know why rape cases happen. According to one survey, people blame the dresses of the girls, the clothes of the girls. But what? Please tell me, what is the attraction? The baby of 8 months in the capital city of Delhi. Please tell me, what is happening on the festival of Deepavali when people burst the crackers on the mouth of the dogs?
Yes!
Please tell me. I just want to know. If you are not able to tackle with the rapist, please tell me. Just give me one chance. I'll show you. I'll show you
Yes.
how to tackle.
Yes, yes, yes. Very nice. And do one thing. You have to get off the stage and you have to go to people and you have to ask question. Are you educated? Are you educated? Shame on your education.
Yes.
Shame on your education if you're not able to understand the beauty of humanity.
If you are not empathetic,
Hana,
if you are not feel the pain of the baby.
Shame on your education.
Yes.
No, exactly.
Yes,
See,
exactly.
you have to ask so many people. Are you educated, man?
Yes.
Are you educated? Are you educated? Are you educated? Are you educated?
Yes.
Shame on your education.
You are not educated people.
You're not. You're so-called educated person, sir.
You-
I am so-called educated if I'm not able to feel the pain of human. कसम से, है ना? स्टेज से उतर जाना, आके बैठ जाना, लोगों से बात करना, किसी से हाथ पकड़ लेना, उठा के चले आना, सर, मतलब जनता को जीत जाओ, खा जाना आज खा जाना, बस वही कि ना पॉइंट पे जल्दी स्विच मत करना, एक पॉइंट जा रहा है उसी में खो जाना, जब लगा कंक्लूड हो गया फटाक से तो स्विच करना।
सर मैं ज्यादा पॉइंट नहीं है, 3-4 पॉइंट बोलूंगा, बस अपने उसके साथ बोलूंगा, एग्रेशन के साथ।
एग्जैक्टली, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बट वही जनता से इंटरेक्शन होना चाहिए,
ये सब
भूख बना के चलना है एकदम से। हाँ एग्जैक्टली, लोगों के पास जाके ये ओए प्लीज बेस्ट ऑफ लक। नेक्स्ट पर्सन, एवरीबॉडी हरी अप, please take this microphone. Hey Sikha, what do you think? Can you win people or not today?
Yes, sir, we can.
Really?
Yes, sir, I
Come
can.
on, how will you start? How will you win people?
Sir, according to me,
Oh my God!
Sir,
Oh my God!
according to me, humanity has 5 qualities: empathy, emotion, connection, compassion, and cooperation. If you have these qualities, congratulations, you are human, and humanity is still alive within you.
बहुत अच्छे, इसको और थोड़ा प्यार से करो, और इसी सेम लाइन को
Yes.
और प्यार से करो, और start.
Ladies and gentlemen, according to me, humanity has 5 qualities: empathy, emotion, connection, cooperation, and compassion. If you have these 5 qualities, congratulations, you are human, and humanity is still within you.
Very nice. While saying these lines or these words, you have to go to people. This is called persuasive talks, right? You simply have to go to the people. Passion. Sir, congratulations. No, you have to say congratulations to the all. Right?
Empathy, emotion, and come back to
Compassion. Go again. Imagine these are people, okay? You have to imagine these are people because after some time you'll get public, na? So imagine these are people. Come on.
According to me, sir. According to me, humanity has 5 qualities: empathy, emotion, compassion, connection, and cooperation. If you have these 5 qualities, congratulations, you are still human, and humanity is still alive within you.
Beautiful. When you say before if say ladies and gentlemen, right?
Ladies and gentlemen, if you have,
ladies and gentlemen,
ladies
if you have
and
these
gentlemen,
qualities,
if you have these qualities, these 5 qualities,
और 5 क्वालिटी आपने बोल दिया था, 5 क्वालिटीज बोलना है,
Qualities.
है ना? फिर से बोलिए, फिर से, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, according to me, humanity has 5 qualities: empathy, emotion, compassion, connection, and cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, if
You have these
you
qualities.
have these 5 qualities, congratulations, you are humans, and still humanity is alive within you.
Within you. Very nice. Please, next person. People are looking at you because after some time you have to face people. How will you? Come on. Go to people.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is me, Sujit, and today my topic is: does humanity still exist? So, humanity, that means human nature, kindness. You know that the people who are humanity means, again I'm saying that the peoples of in this world are as a living together. This means humanity. So many people.
Wait. हमेशा हाइपर नहीं होना है. अच्छा, होना है जरूरी, लेकिन मतलब समझिए 75% हाइपर हो रहा है, 25% थोड़ा दबा देना है बस को. Humanity. What do you think, sir? What do you think, man? Do you think it is existing? कहीं हाइपर, कहीं कम. Go. Go.
So humanity, and there are so many people in India living. They are good people. If there you need any help, then you will visit, and they will provide. Suddenly, in my own experience, I visited a lot of. I met so many people in India. They provide. They also helped me. The people.
नहीं, हाइपर हो रहा है. I met so many people in my life. प्यार से बोल दो कहीं प्यार से हो जाए.
Okay, sir.
I met so many people in my
I met so many people in India, but there was I need something.
वो वॉक करते जब समझाने लगा आके इस चीज पे बैठ जाओ आराम से. Hey guys, I met so many people in my life. जनता को पता है उनको जनता बड़ी पागल होती है. कुछ अलग होगा ना, जैसे कुछ अलग होता है जनता जो है इतनी बुद्धू जनता है, मैं क्या बताऊं. कुछ अलग पाएगी की तरफ आ जाएगी.
Okay, sir. Okay,
तो कुछ अलग करो.
I'm trying.
चलो करो.
So you know that there are so many people in India. They are helping. They are serving our nation.
Yes.
You know that the people, each and everyone, our nation is developing, and you know that the people are helping.
And many people are sleeping. And many people are sleeping.
Many people are also sleeping like that.
Like
they
that.
They are also taking.
They're enjoying.
Their
They're
life,
eating food.
like eating food.
They're watching TV.
Watching TV.
This humanity is not serving our nation.
Yes. But you know that the people, unity, that means you are helping to each other. Yes, we are growing to each other. Yes, you know that, sir.
Don't sleep like
Yes, but you know that all the time you did not sleep. So you know that.
कि कुछ हट के करो, लेकिन कभी कभी आवाज दब के रहिए. सामने वाले को समझ में आना चाहिए क्या कह रहा है.
Whatever I am saying.
क्लैरिटी हो प्लस ओवर एक्टिंग हो. कुछ हट के होगा जनता, मैंने कहा जनता बुद्धू है, हट के होगा जनता उठा देगी. Congratulations. Cares. थोड़ा लाओ और
No one cares. Humanity exists or not. This is I am
हाथ
going to
क्यों
tell you.
लगातार खड़ा है ये बताइए. कभी यहाँ हो जाए, कभी यहाँ हो जाए, कभी ये शोल्डर उठ जाए. ठीक है, गो अगेन.
But humanity, it is a word just written in books. It is not something that people are following. People don't care for each other. They don't help anyone.
Wait,
they
start again. You have to come like this, greet with people and do like this, and then explain people like this. ये touch होना चाहिए.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. So my topic is humanity. Humanity in this world doesn't exist.
Yes.
Only it is existing in books. No one is talking about humanity. No one is caring for any person. No.
मेरे दिल का दर्द किसने देखा है, मेरे दिल का दर्द किसने देखा है, तड़पते मुझे सिर्फ मेरे रब ने देखा है, तड़पता सिर्फ मुझे मेरे रब ने देखा है. मैं तन्हाई में बैठकर रो लेता हूँ, मैं तन्हाई में बैठकर रो लेता हूँ. आपने तो सिर्फ मुझे हंसते देखा है, आपने तो सिर्फ मुझे हंसते देखा है.
चेहरे पे मुस्कान कहाँ रहेगी?
चेहरे पे
जब आप कुछ बोल रहे चेहरा बदलेगी तो को. मुस्कान देखा है, मुस्कान है ही नहीं चेहरे पे.
सिर्फ लोग देखे हैं ना, मैं तो मेरा
तो आपके ऊपर मुस्कान होगी तभी तो लोग देखेंगे.
Exactly.
जैसा शब्द, जैसा अल्फाज, वैसी तकाजत. चलो
फिर से.
हाँ, स्टार्ट अगेन.
मेरे दिल का दर्द मेरे दिल का दर्द.
अरे वहां फेफड़ा है, वहां फेफड़ा है, दिल यहाँ है. यस. अरे वहां पे कुछ और है जी, यहाँ पे दिल है.
मेरे दिल का दर्द किसने देखा है. मेरे दिल का दर्द किसने देखा है. मुझे तड़पते सिर्फ मेरे रब ने देखा है, मुझे तड़पते सिर्फ मेरे रब ने देखा है. और कभी तन्हाई में बैठकर मैं रो लिया करता हूँ, कभी तन्हाई में बैठकर मैं रो लिया करता हूँ. आपने तो मुझे सिर्फ हंसते हुए देखा है,
मुस्कुराइए.
हुए तो सिर्फ हंसते हुए देखा है. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Today, our topic is humanity.
Yes.
What is humanity?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
What is humanity?
Yes.
What's humanity? Humanity is that it wants compassion, imagination, loyalty.
गड़बड़ जा रहे हैं आप.
Loyalty.